clicked or tapped onto the area's most detailed weather forecast video. It's weather for Weather Geeks on this Friday evening. As expected, the record was not broken today, but we made a run at it. 88's the high this afternoon here locally. 88 was the high at Hopkins Airport in Cleveland, and down at the Pittsburgh International Airport, 85 degrees this afternoon. Our record today was 89, set in 1934, so we fell just shy. But the early morning low, a balmy 57. 49 is our average low here in mid-May. It has been warmer than average both on the low end and the high end over the last few days, that is for sure. It's also been very dry now. 12 consecutive dry days. We're probably going to make it, well, at least 13, but possibly even 14 if we don't pick up any stray afternoon or late day showers and storms on Sunday. But the record for the longest dry streak in the month of May, 17 days, back in 1932, from the 15th through the end of the month, not a drop of rain. We're not going to make it that far. I think most of us are going to see some measurable precipitation on Monday, and some of us might pick up a late day shower or storm on Sunday. Where's all the rain? Well, it's off to our west. The pattern across the U.S. is kind of all blocked up. It's kind of an omega block, if you will. Big deep trough out here, then a ridge, and then a trough, and everything's just sort of blocked up a little bit. This pays us dividends. But it's been a stormy couple of days out in the Four Corners region, and a plume of moisture continues to stream out of the Gulf of Mexico and up into the plain states in the mid-Mississippi Valley. Now, they don't want any more rain down in Texas, but unfortunately, they're going to get some, because not only is this a rain-producing system, this may actually at the last minute become our first tropical storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. Whether it is or not, the practical or the implications, I should say, for Texas are the same. It's just going to rain a lot, even if this stays a tropical depression or doesn't even make it to that designation. This is still going to be a problem for Houston and Corpus Christi and coastal sections of Louisiana and farther north as well. Back here at home, we will not be impacted by that plume of moisture. 83 on Saturday, 85 degrees on Sunday. I suspect we'll see a veil of high clouds around, making for kind of a milky sky at times on Saturday. A little bit more in the way of sun for a lot of Sunday, but that possibility of a late day shower or storm remains in our forecast. The dew points are going to start coming up on Sunday. All right, so a lot of us have outdoor plans, a weekend in mid to late May, and just use a little common sense here. If you're going to be working or playing outside for any prolonged periods, make sure the sunscreen is on. It's not a 9 or a 10 as far as the UV index because of the veil of high clouds. It's not going to be perfectly sunny, but still 8 means that, if you're outside without protection for a prolonged period of time, sunburn is going to be a distinct possibility. Same holds true for Sunday. So this first front on Saturday is a weak one, no impacts around here. It fizzles out. The second front, just strong enough maybe to bring us a late day shower or storm on Sunday. If it happens, it's towards sunset and into the evening. That front kind of stalls and then eventually becomes a warm front as we go into the day Monday. Because of its proximity to us, I do think we'll be fair game to see some showers and some rumbles of thunder throughout Monday. It'll be a day where clouds will be a little more prominent than the last several days. Actually, the Storm Prediction Center does have our area outlined in a low-end risk for severe weather Sunday into Sunday night. I'm not real impressed. I think any shower or storm could be a little bit feisty, but the coverage is going to be small at the end of the day Sunday. So, I'm not real concerned about severe weather around here, but SPC does have us on that 1 to 5 scale in a 1 Sunday into Sunday night. Now, it's been warm, it's been almost hot even, but it hasn't been all that humid lately. That's going to change by the end of the weekend and the first part of next week as the dew points come up, and they're going to stay pretty elevated through midweek. On Wednesday, we might be dealing with a better chance of some heavy, gusty storms. Tuesday's a hot day. We'll spring back into the upper 80s on Tuesday, but then a stronger cold front will approach on Wednesday, and most of this should be in the afternoon and into the evening. And I think this could be a day where we're going to be pretty busy late in the day into the evening as this cold front rips into a pretty warm and pretty humid, by May standards, air mass. So we'll have more updates on that in future editions of Weather for Weather Geeks early on next week. In the meantime, thanks for watching tonight, and have a great weekend, everyone.